Then do the inside too. Build it up nice and thick, smooth it out, and carve your own abstract design into the wet surface. Let it dry, paint it dark green, hit it with some gold spray for that wow factor, and plant yourself a lemon tree. Upcycled, beautiful, and totally one of a